What's up, everybody? Justin here with Bear Zapper Barbecue. I hope you're having a great day. We've got the big green egg going. We're gonna get this bad boy up to about 225 right now. We're gonna throw on some salmon, so we're gonna smoke some salmon. We've got some Spellbound by Lane's Barbecue sprinkled on there. Super pumped. This is gonna be an awesome cook. It's about a 2-pound fillet of salmon. Shouldn't take too long, but we've got the egg going. We're gonna go nice and slow on it and see what we can do. Stay tuned. What's up, everybody? We have ourselves a beautiful piece of salmon here. Super pumped for this one. First thing that we are going to do is we're going to remove the skin. So we're just going to take a knife and we're just going to peel back the skin just a little bit so we can get maximum coverage of seasoning on this and then maximum coverage of smoke, because we are going to smoke this. We're not going to cold smoke it, but we are going to smoke it, right? We're not making lox or anything like that. Just doing a smoked salmon, maybe over some rice or something like that. But first thing we want to do is remove that skin, and then we're going to season this up nice. All right, skin's been removed. We're going to hit it with some of that Spellbound. 2 reasons. Love the flavor and love the color. And when on the salmon, it's going to be, the color is just going to be incredible mixed with the salmon color. And the taste is just going to be awesome when it's smoked. So got a nice little layer on it here. We're going to flip it over. Do the same on the reverse side. Beautiful. All right. We're going to let this sit for a while. The big green egg is warming up. We're going to throw this on. We're going to let it smoke. All right, the egg is warming up. We've got the Egg Genius in there. We want to hold it around 225 or so. So while the salmon is inside, kind of hanging out with the seasoning on it, we're going to get this bad boy up and running to the desired temp. Look at that coloring. It's beautiful. We got it up to about 225, 250. Salmon's on. Now we smoke. Look at this. We're at 165 internal. The coloring is beautiful. Everything about it. Look at that. Oh my gosh, yeah. So good. Now I'm going to cube it. That's really good. Cube it. Throw it in a pan. We're going to do like almost like a burnt end. Pumped. All right, we've got our salmon on here. Put it back on the smoker for a few moments. Whew. It is so tender, so good. It's incredible.